Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get the cowbell sound effect on GarageBand. Okay, first go on GarageBand. You don't need to download anything. As you can see, I already have it. First of all, you want to go to drums. Okay, so usually you start with this drum. You're going to want to go to electronic and then go to modern 808. Okay, click the record button, the red button, and then click the cowbell click that bell looking thing really fast.
I was going to say, it's your binder thing.
Okay. Click merge and then just there merge. Click that button with this small square, big square, small square. Now go to sampler. Okay, go to these little bars. Drag. Okay, if you don't hear anything, that means you did it wrong like me. Okay. Drums.
You're just listening because they just need to read, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. All right.
You start at SoCal.
And you give them one of the readers. Like,
Go to electronic modern 808. 3, 2, 1. Okay, just click the cowbell really fast. Okay, click that tiny square, big square, tiny square. Okay. Go to sampler. Okay. There. Okay, if you want to record it, here. Okay, and then yeah, there's a song called Funky Town. That's the end of the video. Bye.